So the next piece of or type of funding that you can get on the business side are the business lines of credit. Now, everyone, and I mean everybody, when it comes to the business world, they always want to get these business lines of credit just because they give you the most flexibility of pretty much all the different options on the funding. Because a lot of times when you want to get a large amount of money, but you don't want to have to spend a lot on monthly payments, the business line of credit gives you a lot more flexibility. So let me just kind of explain how that works. So whatever bank it may be, they'll give you a set amount. Normally, if you're looking for a business line of credit, you can get one for 100,000 and below. So that way you don't have to give as many financials. If you want a larger one, then they typically do require full docs in that process. But when you get the business line of credit, it's essentially like a credit card, right? It's like a large credit card where you can withdraw the money off. That's the biggest difference versus like the credit card option. So when you get those business lines of credit, you have up to 6 months on average to withdraw a full amount off of that business line of credit. So if they gave you 100K, then you can take off 100K over the course of 6 months, or you can do it all in the very beginning or towards the end. It's totally up to you. But when you have those business lines of credit, it gives you such a flexibility because when you start using them, you can actually start making payments on those business lines of credit. And as soon as you start making payments, similar to a credit card, you can actually start withdrawing some of the money back and keep that flow going. So that way, unlike the term loans that we spoke about before, the business lines of credit will give you that flexibility so you can keep using it. So I always recommend them as well to a lot of our clients. And that's why when we go through our process of getting you funding, we want to make sure that you have as many of these as possible, just so that you can have a lot more flexibility.